Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today to do a kit unboxing for the My Creative Scrapbook September main kit. Now this fabulous kit features the Shimelle Reasons To Smile collection from American Crafts. I'm flipping through the pattern papers here. There's lots of varieties. There's some red polka dot pattern paper, the peach stripe paper here, a floral pattern paper with another pink stripe paper here. Here's a polka dot paper with all different colors of polka dots and a peach notebook paper, which would be fabulous for backgrounds. Yellow hearts. There's this gorgeous rainbow pattern paper on here that I'm absolutely in love with. Another pattern paper here with a bunch of journaling cards that can be cut apart. Pink polka dots. Here's a bunch of balloons on a blue background. And here's another pretty peach background with some white daisies on it. Multicolor stripes. And on this one with the peach background is a bunch of presents. This pattern paper has a bunch of multicolored hearts on it, and on the flip side is a blue striped paper. Also in the kit is some pattern papers from Vicki Boutin Bold and Bright collection. And this floral ring paper I seem to remember from another collection of hers. So maybe this one was reused. Then there's this one from Color Steady, which has all the ombre colors on it with this vibrant pink background. And another one from the Bold and Bright collection with the text words across one side. And on the flip side is another blue notebook background paper. Then there's this pattern paper from 49th and Market from the Spectrum Gardenia line with black stripes on the other side. With a kit subscription, you have access to all the digital cut files, but she also has included them in the kit here. So the main kit will come with the Everyday Moments cut file from the cut shop. And I'm also showing you the cardstock stickers that are included in the kit from the Shimelle Reasons To Smile collection. Now let's get to the die-cut ephemera pieces. This set is from Shimelle's Reason To Smile collection. Lots of variety here. Flowers, backpacks for back-to-school photos, cameras, rainbows, coffee, ice cream, balloons, so you could scrap birthdays, just everyday photos. There are pie charts on here that coordinate with the pie chart pattern paper that's in the kit. Birthday cakes, teapots, if you want to scrap a tea party. One of my favorites from this collection is a sticker she has on the sticker sheet that says, "Ice cream will make today better." And I know just how I'm going to use that sticker. Let's move on to the second die-cut ephemera pack that was included in the kit. This is from Vicki Boutin's Bold and Bright collection from American Crafts. Now, there were a couple pattern papers from this collection in the kit as well. We can see some bright, colorful titles that we could be using on our layouts and a lot of journaling cards that we could use for journaling on. A lot of phrase die cuts that are great for layering. I love all the options that are in this kit, and I hope you do too. If you want to see more, go to mycreativescrapbook.com and check out this kit as well as the other kits she puts together every month. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.